Magsusuot ka ng rings like lucky rings, prosperity rings, cat eye rings, or kahit simpleng rings, you can actually consider yung mga meanings or symbolism ng fingers natin kung saan mo isusuot yung mismong ring mo. So mag-start tayo dito sa pinky finger natin. This is also known as Mercury finger, at yung Mercury also represents communication. So if you are manifesting success sa business or something connected with talking, speaking, dito mo isuot yung ring mo. Next naman guys, ito yung ring finger natin or yung Apollo finger natin. And alam natin to usually kasi kapag married ka, dito usually sinusuot yung ring. Because this represents love, beauty, harmony, and even sa relationship. If you're manifesting, attracting connection, you can also wear yung ring mo dito sa ring finger mo or Apollo finger mo. So, ito naman yung middle finger or this is the Saturn finger. Usually, napapansin ko, most of us sinusuot yung ring natin dito sa Saturn finger. Pero need pala din nating maging cautious doon and alamin din yung meaning, especially if mayroon kang intention to manifest. Ito middle finger natin, also known as Saturn finger, which represents balance, discipline, and responsibility, and also structures. If you're manifesting or wanting to protect yourself for grounding and protection, much better to wear yung ring mo dito. However, kapag isusuot mo dito and yung intention mo is to manifest abundance, manifest money, I think you really need to work extra harder. Kasi kailangan siya ng discipline talaga. Kailangan ng more effort kasi yun yung energy na binibigay din ni Saturn. Next naman guys, this is the index finger, also known as the Jupiter finger. And I think ito yung pinaka magiging favorite nyo because Jupiter attracts abundance, prosperity, and if you're manifesting fortune, wealth, much better pala talaga kapag sa index finger mo sinuot yung mismong ring. And for the last one, this is the thumb. You can put your ring dito if you're also manifesting willpower, independence, you're also manifesting courage, and action-oriented goals yung minamanifest mo. So again, yan yung representation ng fingers natin. So, pwede ka mamili kung saan mo ilalagay and if ano yung intentions mo and minamanifest mo.